Question number 22. Let f, we have given domain of f which is from 0 to 2 and codomain, and our codomain is R, and it's given that it's twice differentiable function such that f double dash x is greater than 0 and for all x belongs to 0, 2, and if phi of x is equal to f of x plus f of 2 minus x, then phi is. Now moving towards the solution, we have given that double differentiation of fx is greater than 0 and x is from 0 to 2, 0 comma 2, x belongs from 0 comma 2, and that is f dash, if f double dash x is greater than 0, so we know that fx differentiating with respect to x means first differentiation of fx is an increasing function, and our phi x is given fx plus f2 minus x, and differentiating phi x with respect to x is phi dash x equals to f dash x minus f dash 2 minus x, and for phi x to be an increasing function we'll consider phi x to be greater than 0, and phi, then we have calculated the value of phi x. We'll put down this value, and on solving we'll get x greater than 1. So we can conclude that x belongs to 1 comma 2 for when phi x is an increasing function. For phi x to be a decreasing function, it should be less than 0, and putting down the value of phi x, here, which is f dash x minus f dash 2 minus x less than 0, and on solving we'll get x less than 1. So x will belong to 0 comma 1. So for phi x to be a decreasing function, we will have values of x which are as follows from 0 to 1. So our answer B is an correct option. Thank you.